Imagine a warm, freshly made tortilla. It's soft, pillowy, and smells faintly of corn. You take a bite, and the flavors explode on your tongue. This, my friends, is just a taste of Latin American cuisine. From the vibrant streets of Mexico City to the bustling markets of Rio de Janeiro, Latin American food is an explosion of color, aroma, and flavor. This is a cuisine born from a rich tapestry of cultures and history. It's a fusion of indigenous ingredients, European influences, and African and Asian flavors. Each region boasts its own unique culinary traditions, reflecting its history, geography, and people. Join me on a journey to discover the delicious origins of Latin American dishes. We'll explore the fascinating history and cultural significance behind these beloved culinary creations. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and embark on an unforgettable culinary adventure. This is more than just a culinary journey. It's a celebration of the heart and soul of Latin America. Let's dive in. Long before the arrival of European explorers, the indigenous peoples of Latin America had already developed sophisticated culinary traditions. These ancient cultures were skilled farmers, cultivating a wide variety of crops that formed the foundation of their diets and continue to shape Latin American cuisine today. Central to their culinary heritage were the three sisters: corn, beans, and squash. These staple crops, often grown together in a symbiotic relationship, provided a balanced diet and were deeply ingrained in religious and cultural practices. Tomatoes, avocados, chili peppers, and chocolate, ingredients we now associate with Latin American cuisine, also have their roots in these ancient civilizations. The domestication of these plants thousands of years ago is a testament to the ingenuity and agricultural prowess of these early cultures. Their culinary legacy continues to shape and inspire the flavors of Latin America. The arrival of Christopher Columbus in the Americas in 1492 marked a turning point in history, not just geographically, but also culinarily. The Columbian Exchange, as it came to be known, was a period of unprecedented exchange of plants, animals, and ideas between the Old World and the New World. European colonizers brought with them new ingredients and culinary techniques that would forever alter the landscape of Latin American cuisine. Wheat, rice, olives, citrus fruits, and spices like cinnamon and cumin, previously unknown in the Americas, were introduced and quickly incorporated into traditional recipes. This fusion of culinary traditions gave rise to exciting new dishes and flavors. The encounter between indigenous ingredients and European techniques resulted in the birth of a unique and vibrant cuisine that reflected the merging of two worlds. The vast and diverse geography of Latin America has played a crucial role in shaping its culinary traditions. From the towering Andes Mountains to the lush Amazon rainforest, each region boasts its own unique climate, terrain, and access to ingredients, resulting in a remarkable diversity of flavors and culinary practices. Coastal regions, for example, are renowned for their abundance of fresh seafood. Ceviche, a dish of raw fish marinated in citrus juices, is a prime example of how geography influences cuisine. Originating in Peru, ceviche showcases the bounty of the Pacific Ocean and has become a beloved dish throughout Latin America. In contrast, inland regions often feature hearty stews and dishes centered around meat, beans, and corn. The mountainous regions of the Andes are known for their use of potatoes, a staple crop that thrives in high altitudes. From the Caribbean coast to the Amazon basin, each region of Latin America tells a unique culinary story. Section 5. A symphony of spices, the role of seasonings in Latin American cuisine. One of the defining characteristics of Latin American cuisine is its bold and vibrant flavors. This symphony of taste is largely orchestrated by the skillful use of spices and herbs, which add depth, complexity, and aroma to every dish. From the smoky heat of chipotle peppers to the earthy warmth of cumin, spices are essential to creating the signature flavors of Latin American cooking. Achiote, also known as anato, imparts a vibrant red color and subtly peppery flavor to dishes like cochinita pibil, a slow-roasted pork dish from the Yucatan Peninsula. Herbs like cilantro, oregano, and epazote, a pungent herb with a distinctive flavor, add freshness and depth to soups, stews, and sauces. The artful blend of spices and herbs is a testament to the culinary ingenuity of Latin American cooks, who have mastered the art of balancing flavors to create truly unforgettable dishes. Section 6. Beyond the bean corn, cassava, and other staple foods. While beans are undoubtedly a cornerstone of Latin American cuisine, other staple foods have played equally important roles in shaping the region's culinary heritage. Corn, in particular, holds a place of honor, not just as a food source, but also as a cultural icon. From the ubiquitous tortilla to tamales, atole, and countless other dishes, corn is woven into the very fabric of Latin American cuisine. Its versatility and adaptability have made it a beloved ingredient for centuries, and its cultural significance is deeply rooted in ancient myths and traditions. Cassava, also known as yuca, is another important staple crop in many parts of Latin America. This starchy root vegetable can be boiled, fried, or ground into flour, forming the basis for dishes like casabe, a type of flatbread, and tapioca pudding. Section 7. Meats and proteins. A world of flavor. From succulent, slow-roasted meats to fresh seafood and hearty stews, Latin American cuisine offers a diverse array of protein sources. Each region has its own unique approach to preparing and seasoning meats, reflecting local traditions and ingredients. In Argentina, grilling or asado is practically a national pastime. Tender cuts of beef, chorizo sausages, and morcilla, a type of blood sausage, are cooked slowly over an open fire, resulting in smoky, flavorful meats that are often the centerpiece of a celebratory meal. Coastal regions, as mentioned earlier, are known for their abundance of fresh seafood. Ceviche, seafood stews, and grilled fish are just a few examples of how Latin American cooks showcase the bounty of the sea. Section 8. Sweet indulgences, desserts, and treats. No culinary journey through Latin America would be complete without indulging in its delectable desserts and treats. From creamy flan to rich alfajores and refreshing fruit-based desserts, Latin American sweets are sure to satisfy any sweet tooth. One of the most iconic Latin American desserts is dulce de leche, a rich caramel-like sauce made by slowly heating sweetened milk. Used as a filling for cakes, pastries, and alfajores, dulce de leche is a testament to the Latin American love affair with all things sweet. Tropical fruits such as mangoes, papayas, and pineapples feature prominently in many Latin American desserts, adding a refreshing sweetness and vibrant colors to cakes, pies, and ice creams. Section 9. From family kitchens to global tables. The evolution of Latin American food. Latin American cuisine has come a long way from its humble beginnings in family kitchens and bustling market stalls. Once considered exotic and unfamiliar, Latin American dishes have gained widespread popularity and recognition, becoming a beloved part of the global culinary landscape. The rise of Latin American restaurants and food trucks around the world has introduced these vibrant flavors to a wider audience. Chefs and food enthusiasts alike are embracing the bold flavors, fresh ingredients, and cultural heritage of Latin American cooking, leading to a surge in interest and appreciation for this diverse cuisine. This culinary evolution is a testament to the enduring appeal of Latin American food, which continues to captivate taste buds and break down cultural barriers. Section 10. The soul of a culture. Food as a celebration of identity. In Latin America, food is more than just sustenance, it's an integral part of the cultural fabric woven into the very essence of life, love, and celebration. Meals are often communal affairs, bringing together family and friends to share stories, laughter, and of course, delicious food. From baptisms and weddings to birthdays and holidays, food plays a central role in marking life's milestones and celebrations. Traditional dishes, often passed down through generations, are prepared with love and care, carrying with them the flavors and memories of family history. Food is a powerful expression of cultural identity, a way to connect with one's heritage and share it with others. Section 11. A fusion for the future. Modern interpretations and innovations. As Latin American cuisine continues to evolve, chefs and food enthusiasts are pushing the boundaries of tradition, experimenting with new ingredients, techniques, and presentations. This new generation of culinary innovators is drawing inspiration from their heritage while embracing modern influences, creating a fusion of flavors that is both exciting and innovative. From molecular gastronomy techniques to the use of locally sourced sustainable ingredients, chefs are reimagining classic Latin American dishes with a contemporary twist. This culinary innovation is breathing new life into traditional recipes while honoring the rich history and heritage that inspired them. This fusion of tradition and innovation ensures that Latin American cuisine remains vibrant, relevant, and continues to captivate food lovers for generations to come. Section 12, a culinary adventure awaits. Exploring the richness of Latin American cuisine. From the bustling streets of Mexico City to the colorful markets of Rio de Janeiro, Latin America invites you on an unforgettable culinary adventure. With its vibrant flavors, fresh ingredients, and rich cultural heritage, Latin American cuisine is a feast for the senses. Whether you're savoring a plate of perfectly seasoned ceviche, indulging in a creamy flan, or gathering with loved ones for a traditional asado, Latin American food offers a taste of something truly special. So what are you waiting for? Embark on your own culinary journey and discover the magic of Latin American cuisine